Psychotherapy in the hands of your inner child. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Psychotherapy in the hands of the inner child. You have probably been changing your path every time for years to heal your inner sense, to heal your inner world, your inner self, to heal your anxiety, stress, worry, depression, heartbreaks, and all other discomforts. It has happened so far that you got sick for no reason, absolute no reason, and you were prescribed a few days of absolute rest. Do you remember that time, those days? Whose word is this? Absolute rest. You know, your inner child. Your inner child is screaming to see me, pay attention to me. You have made your surroundings so busy. Your mind is full of confusion. You are constantly 24/7 working. You don't even give yourself a bit of rest to your beautiful body, your beautiful soul, your beautiful mind. You even don't know your inner soul. Put your mobile phone aside. See yourself, take time for yourself in your solitude. Be silent and focus on your inhale and exhale. Explore every bit of your beautiful body, your beautiful soul, your beautiful mind, to find the diamond within you, your inner child, your true self, your inner soul, your inner self. But we have not seen anyone do this. You think that this work is not right according to others. You have lost yourself, my friend, dear, unique. You have lost yourself. You are looking for true love, soulmate? What the hell is that, soulmate? We don't have one soulmate. And you're looking for true love? Really? While leaving your inner child alone? You haven't given even an iota of love, compassion, respect to your inner child, your inner soul. You have no self-esteem and you're looking for true love? Then you ask, Amira, why I don't find true love? Have you ever looked deeply at yourself in the mirror? Have you? No. Have you ever seen your existence in silence? You are only immersed in your surroundings, in your thoughts, and different titles that people give to you. and give to themselves. People. The child inside you is imprisoned and suppressed. Your feelings also. Yes. And you have targeted the destruction of yourself. Do you know what have you done to yourself? Do you know what have you done to your inner self, your inner child, that little child inside you? Do you? No, you don't. So, be with me in this beautiful journey to get to know your true self, your inner child, your inner self, your inner soul, the diamond within you. Okay? Dear Unique, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Like, share it. Do good karmas. Yes, and share this video with others. And write a comment for me. Okay? And always remember there is only one you. You are wonderful. Dear Unique, be in the shelter of God's love. Always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Bye.